Hey guys, today let's learn how to use and how to customize standby mode on iOS 17. So if you guys want to go ahead and customize the standby mode, which is new on the iOS 17 softwares, in this video tutorial I'm going to teach you guys step by step just how to do this, so please watch this video until the end to find out how. Alright guys, so before we start, I would like you guys to go ahead and make sure as well that you are using the iOS 17 softwares. So if you haven't installed the beta version of the iOS 17 softwares just yet, go ahead and make sure that you did on the settings right here. Scroll down under general and tap on software update, and then of course turn on beta updates for the iOS 17 public beta to be installed on your device. Now as you see, I haven't really installed the iOS 17 public beta just yet, but I can go ahead and teach you guys how to go ahead and customize the standby mode in this video tutorial, so please watch again until the end. Alright guys, so what we need to do first is to go ahead and basically, when your phone is basically locked, of course, basically we need to go ahead and set this option on first under the settings. So that is going to be located under your settings option right here. All we need to do is scroll all the way down on this section under accessibility, or right between the here on these options, there will be an option for you to turn on standby mode. So tap on standby mode and then basically turn it on. Now, once you're there, of course, what it should basically look like is something like this. So I'm going to show you guys basically through screenshots to take you guys step by step onto what I'm basically discussing with you. So as soon as you turn on your standby mode, of course, what it should look like is something like this, that you're going to be welcome on to the standby mode. Now what I want you guys to do in order for us to enable this is to go ahead and put your iPhone horizontally or upright on a charger, and you'll be basically welcomed with, of course, the standby mode screen. So what you guys should see is, of course, this is the default standby mode that you are going to receive on your iOS 17 softwares. So if you guys want to go ahead and customize your standby mode screens, all we need to do is to go ahead and press and hold onto the top left or the right widget. So you could always go ahead and tap on any of the widgets that is already on your screens, and that's going to give you the option to customize your standby modes. So the customization options is basically going to be shown with these. As you see right here, you're going to have the option to go ahead and customize your standby modes with these options shown. You could actually go ahead and tap on Smart Rotate On, or you could also go ahead and tap on the minus icon or the plus icon to add some widgets, or as well as the minus icon to remove some widgets. So as soon as you tap on the plus icon, of course, you're going to see the option to add some more widgets over here on the widgets search button. And that's how you basically customize your iPhone iOS 17 standby modes. All we need to do is long press onto those widgets. We're going to have the option to remove some widgets, change the smart rotate, and also the widget suggestions to turn it on and or off, and tap on the plus icon to receive the search button over here to search for some widgets to add on your standby mode screens. That's basically for this video, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something. Take care. This is How to Tech and Tutorials.